Hi guys, today we're making my fried buffalo chicken burger with a blue cheese dressing. Right, let's get straight into this. Right, let's start off by just slicing our brioche and just placing this on a dry pan for about 35-40 seconds. You want that to get nicely toasted so it can hold your sandwich. Right, let's move on to our chicken breast. I'm going to top this with a bit of cling film. Just going to tap this out so it tenderizes slightly and flattens out. Right, I'm going to go straight on with half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. I'm going to tap that into one side and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Right, I'm just going to set that aside for 1 second. Right, I've got some plain flour here. I'm just going to season this with half a teaspoon of more Cajun spice, and I'm just going to crack 1 egg into a bowl. I'm just going to give this a whisk. Can't find a fork at the moment, so I'm just going to do this with a spoon. Just whisk it up nicely. Okay, before I do that, let me just quickly check on my buns. Right, perfect. Those are toasted nicely. That's exactly what you're looking for. I'm going to set those aside until my sandwich is ready to go in. Right guys, I've got my seasoned chicken, I've got my seasoned flour. My seasoned chicken breast goes into my flour. Yep. Dust off any excess. And then that goes into my egg wash. And I haven't seasoned the egg wash at all because the sandwich is heavily seasoned as it is. Right, and then straight back into my flour. Right, what we do is we just shake it about in the flour quickly on one side. And then flip it. And do the same thing on the other side. Perfect, that's ready to go into the fryer. Right, shake off any excess flour and place into the oil away from yourself. Okay, it's been in for about 4 minutes. It's coming along and it's gaining some colour. Another couple of minutes and we'll be done. It's looking beautiful. Right guys, while our chicken breast is frying, we're going to move on to our blue cheese dressing. This recipe couldn't be more simpler and it's packed with flavour. If you like blue cheese, you're going to love this. Right, I'm going to go in with 1 heaped tablespoon of my blue cheese. Straight into a bowl with that. Beautiful, love this stuff. I'm going to mix in there 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, as well as 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. Generous pinch of salt. Now the blue cheese is quite salty, so you want to be careful there. I like it extra powerful, so I put in like 1/4 teaspoon, and I'm going to put a generous amount of black pepper in there as well. A couple of drops of Worcestershire sauce, and this makes all the difference. And then we're just going to go in and just combine our ingredients together. Guys, you can substitute the heavy cream for Greek yogurt if you want, but I'm just going to keep it as it is. You can add some chives, but personally I think it's great without them. Combine it all up together nicely. Right, let's have a taste. Perfect. Right, let me check up on my chicken. Right, our chicken is done. I'm just going to place it on my board for now while I get the rest of my sandwich ready. Okay guys, our chicken's out and ready. That's going to go straight into my bowl here. And I'm going to top it with my buffalo Frank's Red Hot sauce, and that's just going to go around the sides. Go in heavy. Obviously you can adjust according to your taste, but it's all about the balance between the spicy, the tangy and the blue cheese. Just mix that in and make sure the whole chicken breast is coated in that beautiful buffalo sauce. Right, our chicken is looking outstanding. Let's build our burger. Perfect. Right, straight onto our burger with our blue cheese. Go in nice and heavy. And we're just going to place our chicken burger on top. Right, and we're going to top our remaining blue cheese onto the burger patty, onto the chicken breast, like so. And I've got some of these beautiful pickled gherkins, which I'm just going to slice and place onto the sandwich. And you need that tang with the blue cheese and the richness from that spicy chicken. We go ahead and crown our masterpiece. And there you have it, my perfect buffalo chicken and blue cheese sandwich. Beautiful. Right guys, there you have it. This is my buffalo fried chicken burger with a blue cheese dressing, pickled gherkins on a toasted brioche bun, packed with flavour, simple to make, outstanding. Guys, this is a messy one, so I'm going to enjoy this one off camera. But before I go ahead and do that, I'd just like to say, if you're enjoying my videos, if you like my content, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. We release videos every single day, 7 days a week. Hit that notification bell so you'll be kept up to date. Guys, this isn't just delicious, it's Sonny's effing delicious.